gonna send that out.
This is right where we're camping. And these are the hoodoos that surround us. Kind of scary because these things might wake up at night. No, not might, they will. And we're here to appease them now, so they leave us alone. Wow. Man, Bill says Ed McMahon is here in petrified form.
Yeah, he's here. Awesome.
Let's go. Oh yeah. Look at this right here.
Awesome.
Little tracks. Oh, look at this. Whew. What are we looking at here?
Oh, it's just this red that all of a sudden shows up.
Yeah, no, all of a sudden.
Like if you're a little mouse, you can sitting there. It's like, look at that. I think it's a little mouse chamber.
Little door.
Yep. Wow, look at this, man.
Yeah.
Hold on.
This place is a lot of fun.
Oh, man.
Too bad those other guys missed this evening.
I found a beaver rock. So that...
What is that?
Beaver rock, man. It's
Sure.
Like
Definitely
awesome.
Beaver Rock.
Yep.
Yeah. Fracture City. Meanwhile, whew, oh gosh,
Mud.
we're going that way. If we can get there through these rocks, we don't know if we can. That'd be a long way to go that way, because we're right over there. Look at that evil guy right there.
Right. Like crypt.
Look at
something.
that.
Awesome.
Oh,
Just found it.
look at that.
It's
My
laying
gosh,
there.
that's a golden egg. We're getting closer to Sky Tree. So yeah, shouldn't be here, man. No,
It's not here.
we didn't find it here. We found it down there.
Right.
Martian sand. We're getting there. We're getting there to Sky Tree and what is it, Origami Tree? We found it. It's right here. Sky Tree and his sidekick
Sky
Origami.
Hail Sky Tree.
Hail Sky Tree. Sky Tree. Sky Tree, Bill, and Origami.